Salute, salute, my lovely people. Invade not our kingdoms with politics, man. We are watching. The indigenous people are watching. The elders are watching you. But our kingdom have a way, have a structure, a mode of operandum that have to be followed and strict. Invade not our kingdom with stupid politics. The kingdom is meant for the people, to save the indigenous people of that land and foreigners in that land. I am making this video. My Anglophone brothers for Bamenda and for Southwest, my fellow family countrymen from Kambe, for Donga Mantu. We must not invade our kingdoms with politics. Many things are happening and the people are staying mute about that. But if we don't start to hit the iron now that it is hot, it will destroy many things. We must stop it now that it is manifesting itself. They did not facilitate the enthronement of the fund of Fumban, but they were there. And they are trying to turn our king as an entertainment or a form of way to make the people feel that it's love by spreading notes of currencies upon our fun. It is not allowed in our culture and it has to stop. Yes. Yes. Stop wearing banknotes, currencies on our fund. It is not a political fund. It is the fund of the people. Do not invade invade our kingdom with politics. I repeat, not afraid. The son of the soil of that land. I understand. I want to call your attention, there is one man who is called Samuel Eto'o Fields. I have no personal issues with him. I have admired his career. I have admired his talent. And I wish it should be transmitted to many youth of Africa and many youths around. But there is something happening. Samuel Eto'o Fields is a very brave guy, courageous guy, talented brother. But something is about to destroy him, and he is not ready to allow any failure. Politics. People may not see how politics is invading and working in the life of Samuel Eto'o to destroy many people, many youths, to blindfold many youths. But let me tell you, Samuel Eto'o, where he is, right? Where Samuel Eto'o is. But let me tell you why it has come to that level that Samuel Eto'o should be at the head of Cameroon Football Federation. Samuel Eto'o's goal is not to be the president of Cameroon Football Federation. The goal and dream of Samuel Eto'o Fields is to be the president of Cameroon. Listen and listen carefully. The goal of Samuel Eto'o Fields is to be the president of Cameroon. This is a move he could not start it with the actual president, who is Paul Biya. He wanted to engage that, but he had a good advisor. Number two, he do not have a lot of knowledge in politics. Right? He do not have good political knowledge. They told him, okay, you are just a footballer. You want to come into politics, man. Start from your domain, the CAF. Understand how politics works. You will understand of recent Samuel Eto'o is so much, acquainted with the defense system of Cameroon. He have once met us, giving us an impression few months ago that he is in Limbe, down beach, Samuel Eto'o Fields, without a bodyguard. But brother, this is false. So I wasn't there. But Samuel Eto'o Fields was just giving us an impression that in Limbe everything is fine, and in Anglophone zones everything is fine. Just few months and weeks after they have killed babies in Boya and in Bamenda. And he is trying to give impression to the people that everything is fine, so much that he can be in Limbe without a bodyguard and without crowd behind him. This is false. And that gesture alone tells you how bad his political career will be in future. Listen. Tells you how bad his political career will be in future. We all will live to exist to witness this. Believe it or not. So, I want you to know a little bit. Samuel Eto'o is someone who have mingled with a lot of head of state, even right to President Putin, who is one of the most influential leaders in the world. Think about that. So he enjoys a lot this, protocol. Samuel Eto'o enjoys this protocol of leadership a lot. Of recent, I was just highlighting about Samuel Eto'o because there is something boiling. And I will say again, do not invade our kingdom with dirty politics, because we are watching. We are taking measures. It will not happen in our land. It may happen, it may, you know, be whatever it is. Of that land. We are, you know, Mila Bugorga bed, me machine do far before Mgala, Ganjo, where you go ring it better, where con la Ganjo, where we bed, uni. They want to use Samuel Eto'o as a political tool to blindfold you. For how long are we gonna keep being blindfolded with icons like Samuel Eto'o who have already made his career? They brought some G-Tap and so on and all those footballers in camp a few decades ago. What change have these people bring in the football domain of Donga Mantung? We in Donga Mantung, we have one of the best footballers in the whole of Central Africa. You people may not know, but there is one thing. Our brothers who have involved in stupid politics refuse to push them forward. Are you getting? Until many of them have become over age. We have guys who played football more than Samuel Eto'o in Cambe. There are many who play football more than Samuel Eto'o. I don't want to mention their names because maybe some of them will not like it that I'm mentioning their name in this video of awareness. But we all know, till today, we have many of the Wimbom youths playing one of the best football. But you people are doing nothing to push them forward. And very soon they will become over age again, get tired and start striving to survive with life in another aspect of life. Of which if you people, together we all contribute our efforts and bring them to levels that they will gain opportunities like the Samuel Eto'o, we will have icons that generations upon generations in our land will live to be inspired because of their excellence. For how long are we gonna keep bringing Samuel Eto'o, the G-Tap, when we have them to blindfold our people? Because our people have never seen Samuel Eto'o face to face. You think that bringing Samuel Eto'o in Cambe will be a wow to the people? We are not supposed to bring Samuel Eto'o to make our people feel impressed. We were supposed to have our own brothers who have the status of Samuel Eto'o because we have guys who are talented like even more than him. But you people don't want it and keep playing those your stupid actions. Look I know we'll leave them. I could fight winner for them Cambe and Donga Mantung. With this attitude, it must stop. We must come and push the Wimbom people, the excellence of the Wimbom youth, rather than putting them down and bring icons who have no value in our society and our community to try to brainwash our people for years and years. You understand? This is 2022 coming. Bring Samuel Eto'o to Cambe, no problem. To give the stupid impression, no problem. But it have no powers over the people. You understand what I mean? The presence of Samuel Eto'o will not influence that society. Neither the kingdom of those of that land. Why didn't you throw the beard notes to the fund of Mfumban? You were in Mfumban. You were in Mfumban. Why didn't you go and pour money on the fund of Mfumban? Stop that nonsense, eh? Give that respect to those who merit their respect. Do not try to play. The fun is to save the people. Do not deride, because it will not work. Stop it. My Wimbom people, even somewhere to come from Cambe. Mona not look this brother, because we get people there where they play football past somewhere at office. In fact, that is for Donga Mantu. Football is inside our blood. Even if you grow up from Cambe, you know play football. The day with the whole football, you did knock the number. So me somewhere it will not be like some instrument for distract we now. We wanna focus. We will get people the way they pass somewhere it will. They never be able to provide we our own brothers them. May they reach for the level somewhere it don't be. So that they continue to use people then like somewhere it for the put we in darkness. But the time have come that change is by force. We will employ it. We will send our own people to be the somewhere Eto of our land. We're supposed to have been come by great footballers like Samuel Eto who could have come like this and not bringing a Douala man to come and impress our culture. Never. You understand? Nonsense. Awimbona. Ma. I'm talking about this issue of invading our palace and our tradition with this stupid politics. Forms of Donga Mantu should avoid this. Because, let me tell you, I'm not the one saying it though. Look, ask me question, I will show you proofs. The Cameroon government are deciding who will be the chief of a particular place. Listen. Why? Because the people are allowing politics to invade their kingdoms. I'm not saying this out of ignorance. I will not sit someday and hear that they have appointed the chief of Kambebet in Yaoundé. It will never work. And if we don't start to fight it now, it will happen. Because they will make it to be like if the chief or the fund do not follow their political standard, they will change him and put different person. It's not our culture. They are doing so, they have done so in Dop. They are doing so in many places. That they decide that you are not the chief because you don't want to follow our political standard. And they decide and put somebody else. Someday, you people will be having a Tangana, Ngono, as chief in those places. That is how it started like play. I did talk my own. If you not like, when I hate me. But when it could happen, because it happened in other places, if people are not seeing, ask me, I will show you the proofs. The government of Cameroon, they are deciding who will be a chief in a particular village. How comes? How comes that they will decide? Because they want to make you people feel that no, it's not our culture. It's not our culture. The fun is the fun. And the fun is not a political partisan. The fun is there to save the people of that land. Because someday, you people will hear, no, that fun from Campbell, that fun from Binka, that phone for Kungi, that phone for Binshwa. No, you know they follow our rules. It's time we change it, put different man. Now so that political people them they do but no be from Kambe wake what happen no. Do not invade our kingdom with politics. I repeat and I will repeat it again. I'm not saying this out of ignorance. Many things they happen where I don't get plenty information and inbox. I'm not gonna take a light before it get worse I could talk now. Yes.